Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from the Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the trade forecast on CADJPY right here, a 123 risk to reward ratio, 7 pips stop loss, and 170 pips target right here. So watch the rest of the video to find out what made me come to this decision and everything else. So stick around and watch the rest of the video. All right, so let's get started from the 4-hour time frame right here. So what can we see from here? So from here, we can clearly see that for some time this market was pushing to the upside, and then we saw the market now trying to push the downside for some time. Okay, and since that time, this was the first time the market actually broke structure of the previous higher high right here, which is always an indication of something. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So from the 1-hour time frame, you can see that this break of structure that we had here was followed up by this creation of some sort of trend line liquidity which was left behind. Okay, and then also you can see that the market was continuously making lower lows and lower highs, and then you can see that after this low was broken, the market created a newer lower low. However, the market was supposed to respect this high right here. However, it didn't. Therefore, the fact that it broke this high right here plus this high tells us something. Something is up, right? So from here, you can see that the market hesitated to go to the downside and then created some sort of trend line liquidity right here before the NFP news kind of broke this liquidity right here. And then what are we waiting for right now? We're waiting for the market to come into my area right here. What is happening in this zone? Let me show you by going to the lower time frame. All right, so let me just show you what is happening on the lower time frame right now. So if you go to the let me see on the 3 minutes time frame. Let's check what is happening on the 3 minutes time frame. So you'll be able to appreciate that the market left behind some form of liquidity. An order block, which is the last bullish candle before the last bearish candle before the bullish move in this particular case right here, and that was our order block right there. And after that, we just get that and take it to the right side and wait for the market to come into that particular zone right there. All right, so liquidity was taken out. This trend liquidity was taken out, and then now we can see that also the market is now coming to us in a very interesting pattern. You can see this is what we call a flag, a bearish flag. However, we understand that this is leading the market into this premium demand zone, which can push the market to the upside. So you can see that this is most people will be looking for selling opportunities right here because they are seeing this bearish flag being formed. And once the market takes out this bearish flag, we want to see it come into our area right here, and that's when we're going to actually look for buying opportunities. Of course, it's possible to remember that the market can literally just continue to go to the downside, which is okay because we wouldn't have taken any trade by that time. All right, so what is required of us is just to wait for the market to come and touch our area right here and also take out the Asian session as the market opens later on today. And once that has happened, if we have the right confirmation, we'll be able to actually take this particular trade when it actually comes into our area. What I like about it is that the market has already told us what its intention is, right? So we've seen the market failing to actually protect this high right here. The market took out this high, which just tells me that this is a sign of the market being weak. Apart from that, we're seeing the market actually creating this liquidity, and this liquidity was taken out by this big momentum candle right here. All that is very, very telling. Okay, so right now we're just going to wait and see how the market responds from this level. Remember, stop loss is 7 pips and our target is 170 pips. All right, so if the market is going to continue to go to the downside, therefore it means that this low is going to be taken out. If that doesn't happen, it means that it's a high chance of the market actually going to the upside and changing direction all the way. All right, so these and others have already been shared in our mentorship community right here, where we share our forecast. So apart from this, we also have GJ. Let me just show you as well. GJ is also looking very, very similar, though GJ seems to be a little bit away from our POI a little bit. So we'll see how the market opens and what's going to happen as the market opens later on today. Otherwise, the main focus for the day is CADJPY. It's looking ready. It's looking really, really, really good. So we'll see how it plays out. if at all it actually comes to our area. And if it does come to our area of value, we'll be able to take the trade and share it in our M&F mentorship community and the Signals community. And if you're wondering if you've been wanting to community, make sure you check the first link in the description. It comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime free access to our community. Remember, you also get free trading journal and free trading plan, and then also have an access to me where you're able to ask me any questions. You can go one-on-one, and whenever you don't understand any of our concepts, it's easy. You can just text me and I'll be able to jump on a call with you, no problem at all, until you'll be able to trade on your own. That's our goal. All right, so I hope you found value. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Apart from that, also let me know in the comment section what kind of content do you want us to be creating, so that we can be creating specifically for you guys, because we care so much about you. So just let me know in the comment section the type of videos you guys appreciate. All right, so you guys, until next time, goodbye.